I've thrown away my toys, even my drum and train. I want to make some noise with real live aeroplanes. Someday I'm going to fly. I'll be a pilot too. And when I do, how would you like to be my crew? On the good ship Lollipop, it's a sweet trip to a candy shop where bonbons play on the sunny beach in Peppermint Bay. Lemonade stands everywhere, Cracker Jack stands through the air, and there you are, happy landing on a chocolate bar. See the good old with big bad devil's food cake. If you eat too much, oh, you'll always with the Tommy on the good ship Lollipop, it's a sweet night. Into bed you hop and dream away on the good ship Lollipop.
That was great.